Buti na lang maganda na talaga tayo. Charot.
Ako din. Ago na.
Turn around nga, turn! Wow! There! Is that you? Kailangan ko pong magpabook ng bebe tayo. So, maraming salamat, sir.
Salamat ka.
Visit.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All around is the riding of the birthday. Hey!
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
We woke up late. We have to go down and prep na because Ayamati has school and Shobe woke up early. It's gonna be a long day and come on and join us. Good morning, guys. Nalilate tayo ng gising today. Kaya, hindi na tayo nakaligo. Naligo naman na tayo kagabi. So, that's my trick. Every night, naliligo na ako talaga ng full ligo Para pag may mga ganitong times na talagang gahol na sa umaga at wala ng time to sing it. Yung pagligo, at least clean na yung feeling kagabi. We are really running late. Si Mate dan late na. Less than an hour to prepare to go to school. So, rush tayong lahat. At least medyo may time pa ako to do my skincare. But I don't think I can do my makeup anymore. Buti na lang maganda na talaga tayo. By the way, sorry for my voice. Until now, hindi pa bumabalik talaga yung boses ko from all the ganaps from last week. Pero slowly, medyo bumalik na nga to sa lagay na to. Alam nyo guys, simula nung dumating ang December, grabe, as in everyday, parang hindi na uubusan ng gagawin. Sobrang pinagsisisihan ko nung nagpuyat ako. Kasi sobrang dami kong meetings today. Hindi ko alam paano hatiin yung araw ko today. Pero kaya natin yan. Push. I'm so happy that I'm back vlogging. Miss ko tong pagkakausap sa camera. Alam nyo naman, as an Isabela girl, wala naman talaga akong friend group dito sa Isabela. Vlogging was really my way of expressing myself. I'm so happy na bumalik yung drive ko sa vlog. Ano daw? I'm so happy na bumalik yung drive ko sa pag-vlog. Sana mapush ko tong muli kong pagbabalik sa YouTube. Kahit mga ganito lang yung content natin. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And you know what? I really want to, yung parang weekly merong chikahan ng mga nanay na parang, I don't know, mag-rant lang, mag-share ng mga nangyari sa kanila in a week, mga wins and everything. I want to have a community like that. I don't know kung paano ba gagawin yun. Comment down below. Sasali ba kayo if ever gumawa ako ng community na gano'n? Type mother sa comment down. Ano daw? Type mother sa comment down below. Type mother sa comment section kung sasali kayo pag gumawa ako ng ganong community. Ayan, medyo okay na ba yung mukha ko? Pwede na yan. Good morning! So we're on our way to Ayamati to drop him off sa school. Anyway, quick lang before natin ilipat ang kids. So we're on our way and hindi ako nakapag-ayos ng hair and si Aya is here and si Shobe hindi pa nakaligo. Si Daddy hindi pa rin nakaligo. Welcome to our fam. Say, see you later!
Peace na. Ako din. Ago na. Sundin ka namin later.
Bye, Aya!
Bye!
Love you!
Love you!
And we are back at home. Hatid ko na si Aya. Next na ihahatid is si Shobe. Habang naliligo pa siya, tayo muna ay mag-ayos ng buhok. Pasensya niyo na yung gulo ng aking banyo. Yun na guys, it really makes a difference pag maayos rin talaga yung hair mo, di ba? But still, comment down below kung ano yung masasuggest yung hair treatment para pagkagising ko, maganda na agad yung buhok ko. I look like a human. So, it's time for Shobe. We will hatid Shobe. Oh, show us your outfit first. Pretty girl. Oh, wow. Oh, naman, nakaganyan pa talaga ang to. Ang sparkly naman ng shoes. Smile. My pretty girl. Let's go. Grabe, you're so big na. Turn around nga, turn. Wow! Sobrang kikay nitong anak kong babae. As in, she likes dresses, makeups, and everything. She likes sparkly things. Girl talaga. Love you!
Huh?
Okay. So, we're here in Shobe's class. Show me where is Shobe daw there in your Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Hanapin natin si Shobe. There. Is that you?
Yeah.
Is that you? Okay, see you later. Love you, bye-bye. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Primo because I was supposed to have a meeting pero biglang nag-cancel yung ating online meeting for today. By the way, I'll show you pala what Primo looks like right now since it's December. So we have Christmas decors already. Ayan. So kung taga-Kawayan kayo, mag-visit kayo here sa Primo. Ayan. So tahimik pa this morning kasi nasa work pa yung mga tao and nakapag-coffee ng iba. Hindi na tuloy yung Zoom meeting natin. Right now, I'm checking mga emails. Sobrang nakaka-excite because I received 2 work emails. Pag natapos ko na itong fill upan and i-check, I might go to the gym muna kasi meron pa ako isa pang meeting mamaya after lunch. Grabe guys, ang bilis ng oras. Lunchtime na agad. Anyway, papunta na ako ulit sa school ni Aya Maddie because it's his lunchtime. And everyday talaga nakikilunch ako sa kanya kasi kawawa nun wala siyang kasama doon and para rin mas sure na maayos yung pagkain niya. So, ayan, I have here our baon. And after ko sa kanya, usually doon ako nag-gym. But, mamaya ata may meeting ako, grabe. Ang dami talagang ganap pag December. But anyway, okay lang yan. Mas maraming ganap, mas maraming work, maraming blessing. So, there. Mati! Mati! Hey! Hi!
Hi.
You did not hear me?
Open.
Open? What is this?
It's 2 papers, ah. Coloring colors.
Wow! Nice work! Cutie! Why are you adjusting? It's really like that. Why? It's like that.
Makikita.
What?
Makikitaan.
Hindi po. It's really like this. It's below the shoulder. You're like your dad. Oh my gosh. Daddy will be proud of you. So it's lunchtime. I am here with Chobet. Say hi to them.
Hi.
What's your favorite ulam if you're asking?
Sigang.
Sinigang. What else? What?
Sigang and tuloya.
Sinigang and tinola. Okay. Say hi guys, this is my doll.
This my doll.
Show them the face.
Huh?
Who make up that?
Me.
You did? What's the name of your doll ba?
I am Mumu.
I am Groot Mumu doll.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This one is my baby. Favorite my baby.
What's your favorite baby?
Ito.
Mm. Oh naman, you're the mom.
Hi, Mom.
Wow.
I love you.
I'm done working out and guess who will sundo me? Hi! This is my beautiful sundo! Okay, thank you guys for sundoing me.
Pinabilang kita ng ano?
Hi.
Pangga.
What? Why is my husband so bait lately? Parang meron na naman tong biniling kakaiba na out of budget ah.
Baka malapit na.
Hoy! Hindi, in Jesus' name, hindi. Wow! Daddy bought manga for me, which is my favorite. Ang sweet naman ng asawa ko. Mukhang may parts na naman ng sasakyang or baka may sasakyan na naman na binili. Okay, let's taste it. Ang asim! Dad!
Bye.
Guys, sobrang asin. Kahit may alamang. Sobrang asin po ba?
Ow.
Kanina naman, nung hindi ko pa natikman, sarap na sarap ka, girl. So guys, sumabot pa nga pala tayo sa SM. Bebe time.
Nag-book siya ng appointment sa akin.
Kailangan ko pa mag-book na appointment. Sobrang ano kasi to eh. Sikat kasi to eh.
Sobrang hectic ng
Grabe.
schedule natin.
Oo. Kailangan ko pa magpabook ng bebe time. Nakakatuwa naman at napaunlakan tayo, guys. Maraming salamat, sir.
Salamat ka.
Okay, let's go! Sulitin na natin ang araw. So, the movie is done, guys. Nakakayak sobra yung movie. Ang galing, galing.
I feel the bomb.
Nahulaan nyo na ba kung ano pinanood na yung movie? Hindi ko na-reveal eh. Sobrang nakakayak. Watch nyo yun. Meet, greet, goodbye. Nakarelate siya sobra.
Parang ako si Piolo.
Finally home with the kids. Bonding before we sleep. The best part of my day is going home with my 2 little babies. Oh, not babies anymore. Kids na. Imagine, I have a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old na.
It is
Oh my
9
gosh.
years.
Good night, guys. See you on the next vlog.
Let's vlog.
Bye, guys.